Hello my curious little designers, Blue's here. If you're starting your design journey, you have probably wondered, what is UI UX? Do designers do both? So let's clear this confusion once and for all. Before starting, I want to introduce myself. Hi, I am Blue. I'm basically your tiny design companion. Here's what you will find from Blue on this channel. UI UX design from beginners to experienced, Figma designs, case studies, how to build portfolio, psychology behind good design, etc. Basically everything that will help you become a better designer. So let's jump on to the main question. What is UI UX? UX stands for user experience. It focuses on how does the product work. It includes things like research, wireframe, user journeys, etc. Wherein UI stands for user interface. This focuses on how does the product looks. So in simple bhasha, you can say UX is how it works and UI is how it looks. Let's take a quick example. Imagine you open a food delivery app. The colors, the buttons, fonts, spacing, icons, everything visual, that's UI. How easily you find food, how smoothly checkout works, how seamlessly you place an order without getting stuck, that's UX. So, what does UI UX designer actually do? UI UX designers focus on creating digital products that are easy and accessible to use. We research users, understand their problems, create wireframes, design the interface, test usability, and keep improving the overall user experience. To start your UI UX journey, you don't need many tools. Just focus on one powerful tool, which is Figma. And don't worry if you are completely new to Figma. Blue will help you learn it step by step, from auto layouting to prototyping. And that's it for this video. If you have enjoyed this, drop a comment, hit subscribe, and join the Little Designer Squad. Stay curious, and Blue will see you in the next video.